Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make strike-through format on the text on the WPS Office Mobile. Actually, it should be the same method if you are using Android or iOS. So I already opened my WPS Office, and then, for example, I want to make it strike through this text. Just press on hold and then select all, and then on the bottom here you can see this is the option. You just click that one, and then here you can see there is option of strike through or line in front of text. So I'll press that one. Now I have my font or my words already strike through or line in front of them. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.